Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota 4Runner maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer reading is visible, not the Trip A or Trip B display. Then, turn the ignition completely off. This initial setup is crucial for the next steps to work correctly and efficiently. Now, let's perform the actual reset. Press and hold the trip meter reset button firmly. While still holding this button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the button for approximately 10 seconds. You will notice a series of dashes appearing on the display, indicating the reset process has begun. As you continue to hold the button, the dashes on your display will eventually disappear. This signifies that the maintenance light reset is complete. Once the dashes are gone and the maintenance light is off, you can release the trip meter reset button. Your Toyota 4Runner's maintenance reminder system is now reset and ready for your next service interval. If your maintenance light remains on after following these steps, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, paying close attention to each step. Ensure the engine is completely off when performing the reset. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.